Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dead by Daylight Mobile on PC. To begin, you will need an Android emulator, which is software that mimics a mobile device on your computer. These emulators allow you to download and run mobile applications, including games, directly from your desktop. Popular choices like BlueStacks, Nox Player, and LD Player are widely used. Make sure your computer meets the emulator's system requirements for optimal performance. Once you have selected an emulator, download and install it from its official website. After installation, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the initial setup, which typically involves logging in with your Google account. This step is crucial for accessing the Google Play Store. Next, open the emulator's App Store, search for Dead by Daylight Mobile, and then proceed to install the game. The process is very similar to installing an app on your phone. A key advantage of playing on PC is customizing your controls. Emulators provide powerful key mapping tools, allowing you to assign specific keyboard keys and mouse actions to in-game functions. You can map movement to the familiar WASD keys and assign actions like vaulting or healing to easily accessible buttons. Remember to adjust your mouse sensitivity for precise camera control. Once satisfied, save your custom control profile for consistent gameplay. To ensure the best experience, optimize your emulator's performance. Allocate at least 4 GB of RAM and 2 CPU cores to the emulator through its settings. Enabling high frame rates, such as 60 frames per second, will provide smoother visuals. Close any unnecessary background applications on your computer to free up system resources. Finally, regularly update both your emulator and Dead by Daylight Mobile to benefit from performance improvements and bug fixes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.